Kings of Her Life. We're at Road Festival, and we have just seen a Jump Right In production of If I Could Tell Me.
Yes.
And we are speaking with the writer and director of the show, and your name is?
Heather Karsavar.
And how did you come up with the premise for this show?
Honestly, it started with the idea that teenage girls, high school girls, we need to be honest with them. I teach high school, and I have a lot of girls coming up to me telling me about their pregnancies and about their issues, and the only thing I'm allowed to say is abstinence, which is really difficult. And I think the emotional part of sex and the first experience and the first time you've gone through anything like this is so huge. And I feel like we need to be honest with our kids, we need to be honest with our girls, and that's kind of where this came from, where it started.
Did you know when you started it that it was going to be this deep and cover so much? I mean, there's just so much here for just, you know, a short play.
Yeah. No, I did not know that. I knew that it was going to have a little bit of depth. I knew it was going to be a little bit edgy. I did not know that it was going to have so many levels. That just kind of came out as I sat down to write it, which was exciting and scary at the same time. And I do have to say, I had to tell my family, no, this did not happen to me. Because when they saw it, they were kind of worried for me, and I appreciate that. But no, this was a compilation of a lot of different experiences in my life, in my students' lives, and things that I've heard about, television, everything. So, no, I didn't know when I started.
Have you written other plays?
This is my first work.
Wow, great start.
Thank you, thank you. You know, did some things in high school. I have a wonderful mentor. My Jump Right In Productions partner is, thank you, R.S. Scott, and we're actually getting ready for his show right now. And he's written a few things that Jump Right In has published, or excuse me, has produced, I should say. And we're just working on publishing and getting things out of Fresno. And we are taking Dinner with Dan, which is the other play going on. We're taking that to San Francisco in the fall for the Fringe Festival.
How exciting!
So yeah, we're getting our feet wet.
Awesome. Anything else you'd like to share?
Come out to the Road Festival. There's so much art in Fresno. There's so much to be seen and done and experienced. Get out of the house. Come out and join us.
Thanks.